Is learning how to multiply using expanded form and partial products. So if I had 3 times 143, they have been taught to use an area model to keep their thoughts organized. Sorry, it's not so neat. So you need to expand the bigger number, the multi-digit number. So that would be an expanded form 140 plus 3. And you are going to distribute the 3 to each number and multiply. So 3 times 100 would be 300. 3 times 40 would be 120. And 3 times 3 would be 9. And now you have your partial products, which are 300, 120, and 9. And then the last step is to add up all the partial products. So that would be 9, 2, and 4. So 3 times 143 is 429. Now the main idea here is to cut these into smaller problems that are easier for the students to multiply, because they're just multiplying a basic fact and putting in their 0 placeholders. So since you're multiplying by 100, so 3 times 1 would be 3 hundreds. 3 times 4 is 12 tens, which is 120, and 3 times 3 is 9 ones. And that's expanded form in partial products. Another way that I taught them to write it, if they didn't want to use their area model, is they can write it one underneath the other. And just think, well, 1's in the hundreds place, so 3 times 100 would be 300. 4 is in the tens place, so 3 times 40 would be 120. And 3 times 3 is 9. And then do they just add up all those partial products? So 2 different ways. Some students like to do the area model because they feel like they can see what they're doing better. And some students can just do all this in their heads, so they just end up writing the partial products right here.